Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, the chart's hanging in there. A little bit of a pullback here, but really the big question mark going forward is, okay, yeah, it's pulled back, but does that mean something's ruined? Is something wrong with the chart? And to me, there's a very straightforward level to watch moving forward, and that sits right here at $8.50. And I'm not saying that this is what's going to happen or anything like that, but just for explanation's sake, let's say that the price does come down here to $8.50, behaves like that, and then continues on down. What would you have at that point? Well, you would quite literally have the price now all of a sudden having gone right back inside of that range where it just broke out of from on Wednesday. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But I mean, to be fair, no price just goes straight up either. So that's why this pullback is fine. In fact, let's say the pullback went all the way down to that level, but in this situation actually curled back around, which would be a big difference because now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what truly matters. You want to see price movements make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined right there at $8.50. So in many senses, $8.50 is kind of acting as our dictionary, meaning is the price, quote unquote, going back to where it was, that associated with bearishness, or is the price, quote unquote, making progress, that associated with bullishness. So $8.50 to me, very, very important for those reasons. Now, if the price does decide all of a sudden try to work its way back upwards, main area of resistance definitely now going to be right up there, give or take around the $9.40 mark. So keep a close eye on that. But in my opinion, at least the main dynamic moving into Friday, all about that $8.50 mark. So let's see if the price can stay above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.